Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set password expiry in Google Workspace. This feature helps maintain security by requiring users to update their passwords regularly, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. You'll need to sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. Make sure you're using an account with full admin privileges, as this feature requires administrative access to modify security policies. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Admin Console homepage. From here, look for the Security option in the main menu. If you don't immediately see it listed, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on More Controls. This will expand additional options, and you'll find Security there. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Inside the Security section, you'll need to locate Password Management. This area contains all the settings related to how passwords are handled across your organization. Click on Password Management to access the password policy controls. Now look for the setting labeled Password Expiration or Password Age. Depending on your Google Workspace version, this might be nested under a subsection called Password Policy or Enforce Password Changes. This is where you can control how often users must update their passwords. If the password expiration feature is currently disabled, you'll need to toggle it on. Look for a switch or checkbox that enables this functionality. Activating this ensures that passwords won't remain valid indefinitely, which is a critical security measure. Next, you'll set the expiration interval. Enter the number of days you want passwords to remain valid before users are prompted to change them. Common intervals include 90 days or 180 days, though you can customize this based on your organization's security requirements. Some interfaces may offer preset options you can select from. If your organization uses organizational units, you'll be prompted to choose where this policy applies. You can apply it across your entire organization or limit it to specific OUs, giving you flexibility in how you enforce password policies for different teams or departments. Finally, click Save or Save Changes to apply the policy. Your password expiration settings are now active, and users will be notified when it's time to update their passwords based on the interval you've set. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.